Join me as I dive deep into NOx stock and try to give you my expert analysis in real time. NOx stock has been making some waves lately, and I think it's really important for us to take a closer look at what's going on. As we explore the current state of NOx stock, I want you to keep in mind that this analysis is all about giving you the insights you need to make informed decisions. So, what makes NOx stock so relevant right now? The truth is, NOx stock is facing some tough challenges in today's market. Volatility has been a major issue, with the stock price fluctuating wildly over the past few weeks. This kind of uncertainty can be really tough for investors, who are trying to make sense of it all. Add to that the mixed investor sentiments, and you've got a recipe for a lot of confusion. But that's not all. The mining industry as a whole has been experiencing some significant shifts, and NOx stock is no exception. We've seen some major players in the industry reporting some impressive financials, but also facing some tough headwinds. And then there are the external economic factors, like changes in interest rates and global market trends, that can have a big impact on the stock price. One thing that's really interesting about NOx stock is its position within the industry. The company has been working hard to improve its operations and increase efficiency, which could have a big impact on its bottom line. Of course, there are also some potential risks to consider, like changes in government regulations or fluctuations in commodity prices. As I take a closer look at the data, I'm seeing some compelling arguments for why NOx stock might be a smart investment. For one thing, the company's financial reports have been looking pretty strong, with some impressive revenue growth and a solid balance sheet. And when you consider the current trends in the industry, it's clear that NOx stock is well positioned for long-term success. But what really sets NOx stock apart is its potential for growth. With some major projects in the works, the company is poised to take advantage of some emerging trends in the industry. Of course, there are no guarantees in the stock market, but I think the data suggests that NOx stock is definitely worth keeping an eye on. So, what can we expect to see from NOx stock in the coming months? Based on the data, I think there's a strong case to be made for a significant increase in the stock price. Of course, there are always risks involved, but I believe that the potential rewards make NOx stock a compelling investment opportunity. In terms of specific predictions, I'm expecting to see NOx stock continue to trend upward, driven by its strong financials and favorable industry trends. That being said, it's always important to do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. To sum it all up, we've taken a closer look at NOx stock and explored some of the key factors influencing its performance. From the current challenges facing the stock to the potential for growth, I hope this analysis has given you a better sense of what's going on with NOx stock. So, what do you think about NOx stock? Have you been following this one, or are you just learning about it now? Either way, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more stock analyses and expert insights.